be showing you how, sorry about that, my voice is kind of dry, my mouth is kind of dry, but today I will be showing you how you can make your free intros from Panzoid. So first of all, go to panzoid.com, panzoid.com. After you've done that, you'll come up with this screen, and from here you can choose what intro template you want. And if you don't like any of the front page ones, then you can click more creations. But for now, I will just use one of these for the video. Let's see. Well, let's use this one for now. So then once you click on that, click on the one you like, then click open in ClickMaker, and then you'll be greeted with this. So then after you've gotten to this ClickMaker tab, click on this I button over here, click it. Okay, click it. Sorry, I think it was a little laggy. And then click the play button. This will allow you to see it, like as it is if you put in a video. But if you keep it like that, if you click the I. So after you've done that, and if you like it, if you don't like it, you can just go back to this tab that you have open and look at the other ones you want. So yeah, but once you find the one that you like, go to Objects, this little cube icon. Click on it, and then after you got there, look for text as the first word. So I have text, and text. So they usually be at the top, but search for as many as you can. But after you've done that, click on that text, and then that text, just click on it, and then you can change it to whatever your channel name is. So of course, I would change this to Ish, and then, oh yeah, and of course, you have to press enter after you've typed it in, and then I saw this was all capital, so I'll capitalize this. All right, then I have too much. I have one right here, so then I'll do that too. Noodles. Okay. Noodles. There we go. Click enter. Do the same with this. Noodles. Click enter, and then now you can watch it. You can just watch it to see how it'll be like. If you still don't like it, then go back and look for whatever you want. But as I said, once you find one, do all these steps that I just said, and then click the play button to see how it'll look like. But that's just video purpose. So once you've done that, don't click this one. I don't think it's that good, but don't use this. I think like it may mess up, but once you find the one you like, then go to this download arrow pointing to a line icon, and then click that, and then make sure you can click on mode, and then you can do fast render, which means low quality, balance, which means okay rendering and okay quality, good quality, not fast rendering, and then stream quality slow. So I just keep it on balanced, then keep this on MKV, and then start the video render. Click start video render. So then your video, it says your video is being rendered. Please stay on this page to ensure your browser continues to process the video. So I'll get back to you guys once I finish.
One eternity later.
So once you've finished, it'll say your render is finished. Click below to download. So then click to download your video, or if you want to return to editing, I will just download the video for the video purpose. So then it'll say thank you for using Panzoid. Your download is starting. So then your download, as you can see my cursor over here, it will start downloading the intro. So then after you've done that, you can insert it into any video editor you use on the computer. I'm not sure if you can do it on a phone because you need to export this. I'm not sure if you can do that, so I think only editors on the computer. But yeah, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and guys, comment down below what intro you used, if you remember it. Lol, but yeah, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you never miss a video. So yeah, that is Ish Noodles signing off. Goodbye.